Here, I'm gonna show you Tinder Auto Swiper Bot. To get that, first you go to the website mywebartist.eu, and then you're going to go to Tinder Auto Swipe Like Bot. I'm gonna show you how it works, and I'm gonna turn it on, and you can see the options in that system. It's a Windows-based system, so you need Windows system to run that, and it's gonna run on your computer. And you can change the location on your phone, and you can swipe on your phone still, but you can leave this on. And I got tons of matches. I wouldn't get so many matches because you have to swipe so many times. So this essentially does the work for you, and you can change the locations, and there's some pretty interesting functions in there, like speed, and also to also not like, because if you only do likes, maybe your rating wouldn't be great. So there's great option, which is half. So I will show you everything. So this is the page, and so there's also half like option. So it will only like half the time. So it will swipe left, then right, left, and right. So this is also a good option, and I think that's the best setting, which I've tested so far with best results. You get a lot of matches that way. You do need a Tinder premium subscription to get unlimited likes from them, and then you use this program to swipe automatically. So let's get started. So you have option to get the free demo. Free demo will essentially you can get started and start using it, and if you like it, you can subscribe and you can download. You just need the key. So for free demo, you just press download. It's $0, €0, and once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and get the 1 month, 6 month, or 12-month option. Then you don't need to download, you just need a key. So here I've purchased the program, and with that I get a key over here. Okay, so this is a download button there. Now this information will also be sent to your email address, and then you can download the program again and again if you want to download again, and then you get a key. Okay, so I'm going to explain you how this works. So I've already downloaded the zip file, which is this one, and inside you will see there are two files, and I've already taken the files out. All you do is just drag it down like so, and it's already there. And in the setup file, this is where you put in your password for Facebook. So on the first line you put in your Facebook password, no, Facebook email, then your Facebook password in the second line. In the third line you put in your speed. So if you want to swipe every 5 seconds, you put 5. If you want to swipe every 10 seconds, you put 10. It's at 7 by default to have a natural swiping. Well, natural swiping is probably like 1 speed, but it's because it's over time it's going to have so many swipes. So let's the minimum is 5, so we leave that at 5 or 7, whichever. And then here this is gonna be a place where you type in your key. So you will get a key. If you don't have a key, if you're getting the free demo one, so you leave it on demo, and I'll show you both ways. And then here you can type in like or no like. So if you do like only, it will be only liking. If you do no like, it will be only no liking. And if you do half, it's going to be 50%. So I leave that in there. These instructions are there for each of the lines, which I've explained you. If you don't have a key, you want to get a key after you're happy with it, you go back to the website over here, and then you get your the subscription. It's very cheap. For the whole year you get it for €24. And free is always free, and then 1 month is €9, and then it's 6 months, it's €19, and this is €24. It's a good deal, I think. It saves you a lot of time. The next step is once you have that set up in your file, your password, you go ahead and you start it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start this file here. So when I start this, okay, it might ask you this question here, so I allow that. It's just to allow the internet connection. Now, as you can see, it runs everything by itself, and it essentially types everything, the password. So you now from this point onwards, it's totally hands-free. You don't have to do anything. It will type everything itself. So you can see it's doing itself. My mouse is just right here. I'm not even doing anything. It takes care of all the pop-ups that come up, and it will start swiping. So as we know that we have set the settings to be half, so it's gonna swipe one left and one right, and one left and one right. I've got a few matches here, and there have been some conversations and some unmatches in the past 24 hours, but overall it's working great. So as you can see, there's another pop-up which came up, and it's gonna take care of it again. And here's counting the number of swipes it's done. So it's done like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So with the demo version, it's gonna swipe up to 10 times, and after that it's gonna stop, because then you can get a license. So this demo will give you a complete understanding of how it works. So now to get the full version, all you have to do, you have to open the file back up again and type in your code. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, I've typed the password in there, the license code, and I'm gonna close this again, and I'm gonna start it again. And once I start it again, it's gonna log in everything itself and continue where it left off. So I don't have to do anything again on this, and as you can see, it's just going to log in everything. Let's bring this down a bit, and it's gonna start typing everything and start swiping for you. Okay, so we've got, there we go, swiping again. Okay, so this is live, and you can see I'm not doing anything. My mouse is just right here, it's just clicking. And I mean, during the swiping process, you still have the choice to flick through the pictures, and that's the great thing about setting the speed, that you can still look at the pictures, and you can still like or dislike a profile on your phone. You can change the settings on your phone of the location. So I'm just gonna say, okay, I'm gonna like this one. Okay, I'm gonna yeah. So this is definitely a no. Yeah, I don't like the pictures, the profiles with no pictures. So yeah, they're all nice girls. Okay, that's a no. Okay, so this is how it works. If you only want to do likes, you can do that as well. I just like it like halfway, like and dislike, like and no like. So yeah, it's half of the likes, half of the swiping I'm doing, but I think it's a good setting. So if you like it, just go to the website and you want to buy it, you can just choose and you get a license key over here, and then you start your swiping and get your dating going. Thanks for watching.